Hello everybody, and this time we're going to make this power piece with software CATIA. So let's start. Let's start a new file in this option. Choose this and select part. OK. And let's choose this plane XY and select this part. And first, let's start drawing this part. So the radius of this is 22 and this 40. So we draw two circles, a line, construction line. Select this part, and again we draw two circles. Select this and select this to make a continuous circle. Select this, and we keep measures. This is 22 and another circle is 40. And again, sorry, we give measure 22 and 40. The distance between the circle is 60. Now we going to make a offset. This offset it's let me check. 3 millimeters. First we're going to make three. We draw arc. Sorry, more or less like this, and select this of elements. We made tangent, and we may let's give a measure. This is a radius of 40. And we make a symmetry, a mirror. Select this and this line, and that's it. We're going to delete some parts about this sketch. Select this again, and we make an offset. The offset is operation and offset transformation. Select escape. Select this on this. Tools, insert, operation and transformation, offset. Let's press key tab, offset 3, ready. it's okay. So let's extrude some material. Select this and this, and let's make construction circles. Let's exit from this sketch and extrude 30. Select 30, preview, okay. Again, so in this time we're going to work in this plane. Select this face and select this. Now select this and this, and we're going to project, exit on this sketch, and again select path 3 millimeters, change reverse direction. Okay, now select this plane. Want to make a new plane, 20 millimeters. Okay, select this plane and select fiddle in, and we're going to make a draw 2 circles. First, we're going to draw let's project these lines and select, and let's make construction line. This, select this line and construction. Select line, center, select this and construction line. Now let's draw choose one circle, select this and let's make continuous, and the measure is 26. This 26. Select perpendicular view, and the center is 13 millimeters. Select this, respect this point, 13 millimeters. Now let's exit from this sketch and select this operation, reverse, and up to next. Okay, again select this plane and project this circle, and let's exit from this sketch. Sorry, this I want to modify this plane. Double click and reverse direction. Okay. Okay. Press the key Ctrl Z, and now select this sketch, and we are going to make a new plane, reverse. Okay, select this and change sketch support. Cancel. We could make two different ways to fix this operation, but we're going to select delete. Okay, select this. Sorry about that. Select this. We are going to project. Let's exit from this sketch. Select path and select up to next. Okay. So now we're going to let's make this hole 16. Select this sketch, fit or in. Select this project and this active. Select this on this and concentrate. We say 16, diameter 16. Let's exit and now use a pocket. The measure it's about 17. It doesn't matter because the important thing is the whole stroke about this part. Okay, now we are going to work on this and draw two circles, one here and another one. First we project this, select construction line, circle, select this and this, select this arc, concentrating. Okay, and the measure is 22. So here 22. Again, select this part. Let's exit from this sketch and select this part. Okay, this okay. Now the only thing we need is to make the rounds. Measure is its exit is radius 6. So first select edge fillet 6 here. Preview, and that's okay. Now select again this option. That's it. And now inside it's 3 millimeters. Select this 3. Select this, preview, and okay. Sorry, it's fine. So let's finish this part. As you can see, the part is easy. You have to learn read well the blueprints, and that's all. You can make this part, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was like this. See you.